Okay, so on this Wyze lock, you have down here your manual key access. This lets you know that it's scanning your palm. But if you decide not to scan your palm, you can just tap anywhere on this touchpad. It brings up the access pad so you can enter your numbers. This is your unlock button and your lock button. But you can go ahead and enter whatever your little pad code is and then hit unlock or lock. Or if you want to do your palm, just 3 to 7 inches away. And it'll let you know that it worked and that it's unlocked.
Palm unlock. Let's look at this one. This thing right here. Wow, that's so cool. Isn't that cool? All right, it worked. It works.